y'all doing today? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Making my first video. Hope I do all right doing it. Might be a little loud up on our overpass, doing some fishing. I drive a semi truck, go all over the country, try to fish everywhere I go. So hoping today to catch some fish. I don't know if I'm gonna have smallmouth, largemouth, something. So we're gonna see. The water is very, very muddy. So I'm gonna definitely have to try some chartreuse or some black stuff, something like that, and maybe we can catch us some fish. So first, we're going to try that baby right there. See how she does. I think it'll catch one. Alright, so we didn't get no bites down there. I came down here, got a bite, didn't realize my camera was off. I'll figure it out using my phone, so really ain't nothing special. Had a really, really good bite along this right here, along this wall. I mean, nice with a crankbait, square bill. So now we're gonna try a worm and see if we can maybe finesse something out of there a little bit. Yeah, you can see the black, but it's definitely hard to see it. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna put Mr. Spinnerbait on there. I just think that's gonna be a lot better idea. Sure enough, chartreuse spinnerbait. I found that the smallies love it in this muddy water, especially with them gold leaves on it, willow leaves. With a little small Colorado, give it a little extra thump, so then I don't like double willow leaves. And if I'm at the house, rent a house in Georgia and all that, I definitely like to use just nothing but Colorado. Just seems to work better. Maybe one day I'll show y'all how I tie the dowel knot. It's a knot that's been passed down to me from my family, my daddy, and I don't see anybody else tying it. Never had any problems with it. Definitely a very nice, clean looking knot, and it works good. Slow it down a little bit, maybe get it to hit bottom. Oh, I think something just thumped it. Man, I wish I could get whatever bit over here earlier to bite again. That was a nice fish. Oh, I think some bait fish just jumped from it. Alright, so we're gonna go somewhere else. See if we can get another bite. I caught a little one, didn't get it on camera, unfortunately. Kind of the way it goes, I think. Alright, so if you will look, you will see there is an eddy break right here on some rocks. And then it's eddying back into here in still water. There ought to be something around the edge of that, waiting for it to bring some bait to it, some food to it. So let's check it out, see what we got. All right, folks, almost to our next spot here. See if we can get through these bushes. Hopefully we don't get too many ticks or something today. Got to be a trail here somewhere. So I know I ain't the only person that's ever fished here. I don't know. We're about to make a trail though. No snakes, please. I ain't scared of them when I can see them. When I can't see them, I don't like them. Oh yeah, there's a little trail right here. Knew somebody had to be fishing this thing. The mosquitoes ain't no joke, I can tell you that. Come on. Spinnerbait first this time. Give it a fighting chance. Ooh, mosquitoes, bad. We about to have to go. We can't stay here very long. Matter of fact, we got to go now. Oh Lord. Gotta go, folks. Too many mosquitoes for me. I ain't bring no bug spray. Now we got some treacherous stuff to go down. Some rocks. Big old deer tracks down here. Now we got some rocks now. Definitely gonna break out the old cranky bait. Really, really surprised. All right, try again. Hey, just ain't right. Ought to be one there. We'll try the square bill.